Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open the Tesla Model 3 glove box manually. Normally, you just tap the touchscreen, but sometimes that's not an option. Perhaps your screen is frozen or the car's power is off. This guide will walk you through the simple, mechanical steps to access your glove box contents when electronic methods are unavailable. It's a handy trick to know for any Model 3 owner. First, you need to locate the manual release. This is cleverly hidden beneath the glove box itself. Get down into the passenger footwell and look upwards, directly at the underside of the glove box. You're searching for a small, rectangular access panel, typically about 2 inches by 1 inch in size. It blends in well, so take a moment to find it. Once you've located the access panel, gently pry it open. You might use a small, flat tool or even your fingernail. Be careful not to damage the surrounding trim. Inside this opening, you will see a small lever or a short string. This is the manual release mechanism. Pull this lever or string firmly towards you, and you should hear the glove box latch disengage. With the latch released, the glove box door will now swing open, allowing you to access its contents. When you're finished, simply push the glove box door firmly back into its closed position. You should hear a distinct click, indicating that it has securely latched. Always double-check that it's fully closed to prevent it from opening unexpectedly while driving. You've successfully opened it manually.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.